Hi everybody, this is Steve Jurgensen from Racesport Lighting, and I'm excited to show you today our new running board sidekick lights. What's really great about these is they come in a 48 and a 60-inch length, so if you're gonna put these on a crew cab type truck, you'll probably go with the 60. If you're gonna put these on a regular cab truck, you're probably gonna use the 48-inch model. These, when you're running, actually run at an amber marker, but when they turn signal, these will do a sequential run on the left or right as you turn signal, and as you open the door trigger will turn on, shut the amber off, and give you a white on the ground illumination for a nice door valet light. Again, I can't really show you this right now because everything's run off a power supply at SEMA, but it's a great product. It does come in pairs with a left or right, but definitely check this product out.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.